Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 9. This week we have an important topic, which is our regular AR verb forms. So this is something that usually comes kind of at the beginning of Spanish 1, but we're having it now after a couple weeks because we started with our some irregular verbs like ser, tener, estar. Now we have our regular verbs, AR verbs, and basic questions. We're going to continue with this topic next week with information questions and AR verbs. So make sure you go through all the materials. There is pronunciation review because instead of a regular speaking assignment, we have the second pronunciation project. So if you got a 95 or higher on the first pronunciation project, you can use your grade from the first one for the second one and you don't have to do a new recording. So if you want to take that option, send me an email. If you got below an 80 on the first one, I really recommend that you meet with me because that means there's a lot of sounds that we should go over together. So yeah, set up a meeting with me as soon as possible so we have time to go over this and you can practice. Yeah, so any questions about that, let me know. We're back to having homework packets after 2 weeks of working on just our field specific project. It's packet 7, even though we're in week 9 because we skipped 2 weeks. So the numbers on the packets are off, but it's correct. It's week 9, packet 7. We missed 2 weeks during our field specific project. Like I said, the second pronunciation project, so let me know if you want to go over anything together, or if you got a 95 or higher, let me know if you want to skip this one. And we have our quiz like always. We're getting towards the end of the semester. Keep me posted with your questions y nos vemos pronto.